Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the world of $BCAT, also known as BilliCat token, a crypto coin operating on the BNB smart chain, easily identified by its cat-themed branding. The aim here is to provide you with a comprehensive guide on what $BCAT is and how you can potentially acquire it, focusing on key exchanges like Billex and PancakeSwap. So what exactly is BilliCat? It's a token built on the BNB smart chain, adhering to the BEP20 standard and driven by its community. It's important to note that $BCAT is considered a high-risk investment, so performing thorough due diligence is absolutely crucial. For specific details regarding its tokenomics, such as supply and distribution, you should refer to the official website or white paper. Now, let's talk about the BNB Smart Chain, or BSC. This blockchain network runs parallel to the Binance chain, offering smart contract functionality. It provides faster transaction speeds and lower fees compared to Ethereum, which are significant advantages. To interact with the BSC, you'll need a compatible wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Let's walk through setting up a BSC-compatible wallet using MetaMask as an example. First, install the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app. Then, you'll need to configure MetaMask to connect to the Binance Smart Chain network by manually inputting the network name as Binance Smart Chain. The new RPC URL as https://bscdatac.binance.org/ the chain ID as 56, the currency symbol as BNB, and the block explorer URL as https://bscan.com. Most importantly, make sure to secure your wallet with a strong password and store your seed phrase in a very safe place. Before you can buy $BCAT, you'll need BNB, or Binance Coin, which is used for transaction fees on the BSC. You can purchase BNB on a centralized exchange like Binance, and then withdraw it to your BSC-compatible wallet, making sure you select the BEP20 network during the withdrawal process. Now, let's explore how to buy $BCAT on PancakeSwap. First, navigate to PancakeSwap's website, which is pancakeswap.finance, and connect your BSC-compatible wallet. Make sure you have BNB in your wallet. Next, you'll need to find the $BCAT token contract address, but always verify its legitimacy. Add the $BCAT token to your PancakeSwap token list using this contract address. Then, you can swap your BNB for $BCAT. It's recommended to set slippage tolerance to account for price volatility, typically around 1 to 5%. Finally, confirm the transaction and pay the gas fee, which is paid in BNB. Alternatively, you can buy $BCAT on Billex exchange. Start by creating an account on Billex exchange, making sure to check for its legitimacy and security first. You might need to complete KYC or Know Your Customer verification. Then, deposit BNB or another supported cryptocurrency to your Billex account. Find the $BCAT/BNB trading pair and place a buy order for $BCAT. Finally, confirm the transaction. Before you invest, be aware of the risks involved with $BCAT and cryptocurrency investments in general. These include price volatility, the risk of scams and rug pulls, potential security risks to your wallets and exchanges, the possibility of losing funds due to transaction errors, and the fact that cryptocurrency markets are largely unregulated. Therefore, it is absolutely essential to thoroughly research the project before investing. In conclusion, $BCAT can be purchased on PancakeSwap and potentially Billex exchange. Always conduct thorough research, understand the risks involved, and invest responsibly. Visit the official BilliCat website and community channels for the latest updates, and remember to DYOR or do your own research. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.